It's the 17th of December. Let's see what's inside the VW Advent Calendar today. There we go, big one today. What is this? Okay. This looks like it's going to sit on top of this like that. There we go. Very nice. In October 2008, VW presented the MK6 Golf GTI at the Paris Motor Show. From March 2009, it was available with its 2-litre TSI turbocharged engine with an output of 211 brake horsepower. TSI is a brand name for the VW engine and stands for Twin Charged or Turbocharged Stratified Injection. The new GTI engine was a generation of engines developed by Audi as large volume engines for the American market. With a reworked front and rear, slight modifications to the doors, headlights and rear lights, it only differed slightly from the previous Mark V. It is sometimes referred to as the Mark 5.5. But in the interior, there was an insulating film on the windscreen and better door seals which provided better sound protection inside. In May 2010, the Golf GTI Adidas edition was built in production. A run of 4,100 units was made. These came with bi-xenon headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, door sill trims and partial leather seats. And a further special model was released in 2011 to mark the 35th anniversary edition of the GTI. That's it for today. Join us tomorrow on the 18th. Let's see what we get with the model. Got some more VW facts from the book. See you tomorrow.